Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I talk about life in Canada, studying in Canada, and personal development. So today I will be giving you a life update. So one of my biggest questions that I always get from persons who are subscribed to my channel is that you guys always contact me to find out exactly where I am with my Canadian journey and find out like exactly what I'm doing in Canada and stuff like that, which is a very valid question to ask. So in this video, I will be talking about exactly where I am in Canada. So many of you are aware that I am attending the University of Prince Edward Island, and you are aware that I'm located in PEI, which is Prince Edward Island, and it's the University of Prince Edward Island that I attend. The University of Prince Edward Island is the only university that is here, along with one main college, which is Holland College, and then there are a few other colleges that aren't directly colleges. So what I mean by that is that the other colleges, they more like one of them that I'm thinking about right now, they focus on Christianity and they focus on religion. But if you were to think about directly the schools that offer all the programs and programs for international students, then there are only two schools in PEI, which is Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island is the smallest province in Canada. So that would explain why they don't have a lot of university and colleges here. However, in general, the schools offer a wide variety of programs, even though at the same time it would be more limited compared to other universities. So just bear that in mind. If you're interested in going to UPEI, then you can definitely Google and get details about the university and the programs that are offered here. But for me, I attend the University of Prince Edward Island. Previously, I did finish school, then I went to college, and then I worked for a couple of years. And then afterwards, I went back to school, which is to come here to attend university. As I record this video, I've been in university for over 3 years, and as of just literally 2 days from now, I will be graduating from the university. So I did a full bachelor's degree in business administration, and now I'm about to graduate. One of the biggest questions that persons ask when I tell them that I'm about to graduate is, where do I go from here? So if you are curious about where do I go from here, I plan to pursue immigration as a full career. So that is what I plan on doing in terms of the future. In terms of what exactly that will include, that has not been fully pinpointed, but I have a general idea of exactly where I want to be and the steps that I need to take to get there. Of course, things may happen and things change. I might not get into this, I may not be able to do X, Y, and Z, but ultimately I know exactly where I want to be. I created a plan, and all of that I really did through a reflection where I reflected on exactly where I was and what I wanted to experience, and it changed a lot. Because I remember doing this when finishing high school. I remember also doing it when I finished college, and it really changed a lot. So one of the biggest things since I've been in Canada is that a lot of the things that I previously experienced back in Jamaica, my opportunities in Canada has changed significantly where they are better. So because of that, my plan also changed as it relates to this channel and where I want to be with this channel. I definitely want to post videos weekly that is related to immigration in general, and also do fun vlogs that I just enjoy, and also I know that that will be something that you also enjoy. So I definitely want to post weekly videos. That is one of my goals, and that is something that I already started doing just to get accustomed to it. I hope this gave you a better idea of where I am in my Canadian journey. I hope that you found it helpful just to hear that you can come to Canada and start school and you'll actually end school and successfully receive your bachelor's degree. So I hope it was encouraging to some of you as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to make, but I'm actually going to cook now. I could add like a little cooking montage on the end of this video so that you can see me cooking. So enjoy. This is the montage and I probably will come back and talk to you afterwards. Back since I was young, this is how we scrape carrot. I know that there's like a carrot scraper. I think I have one. I remember buying a carrot scraper, but I don't know where it is. Just kind of get the carrot on top and the broccoli underneath. Prepare this and then add chicken to it. You can. This is what it looks like up close. I'm going to prep for the dumplings. So first, this is just water. This is about 2 cups. This will be 4 cups. So now I'm just going to make the dough. You just keep spinning it. That's all you do. Just keep spinning and it slowly come together. Spin and add water and it slowly come together. See, it's slowly coming together. The only thing you need to be careful of when you're making something like this is to make sure that you don't add too much water. If you add too much water, then you're gonna see what happens. And here's the dough, all done. So to make dumplings, you just boil the water and then, this is how I learned to do it, or found it easier to do it. So you just roll it and then you go like this. And then you add it to the pot as is. In here, it smells very, very healthy. You can smell that it's greens that is being cooked. Now I have to check back over here on my thing here, see what is happening here. I'm gonna stir it. Nice, everything is cooking along. Let's try the broccoli, see what is happening with the broccoli. So one thing that I do first is to like cut it, see how hard or easy it is to cut. That's like the first way that you can know if it's ready, is if it's easy to cut, then you know that it's ready. This is really hard to cut, so that's signaling to me that it's not. And then you can also place the fork in it as well to see if it goes through. Same with the carrot as well. So I'm gonna taste this. I don't know why that piece didn't want to cut, but I think it's actually done. It's done. The camera just actually died, but I just did the dumplings while the camera was dead, and it's already almost done cooking. Can you see in there? Yeah, so this is what dumpling looks like, and I think it's already ready. Let's cook it for a little bit more and then it will be done. While the camera was out, I also added the sardine to this meal as well. To this meal, you can't really see much of a difference.